Do near do, door near door.
Knee at its knee place, royal at its royal place.
Anade be ma, yema mimya, nila can the bin jimba ya night. Door near, do near sadi, neanga de shia doing, kaza dumya di, mimi a saint dan alike. The mentadi near mada, kazaya the gedo, mimi a saint dan nit lyogan out. Pyoso wusa nita yadi. Do neya. Bayin yet nila candwe. Lawele ya kazado. Mumadu adwet. Tamadi. Do. Do. Sani. Adwimbawo. Abimbawo hudo. Neya ngadwe anet. Dudia neya. Do neya. Ataba batama neya.
The meaning is that, just as in the royal assemblies of Burmese kings, where participants were seated according to their rank in designated positions, such as the royal place and the knee place, one should speak, dress and behave in a manner appropriate to their status and rank. The knee place refers to the second most important position on either side of the king in the royal assembly, reserved for senior ministers. The royal place is the highest position. This saying emphasizes the importance of knowing and adhering to one's appropriate place or role in society or a given situation.
Do neya do, door neya door.
Knee at its knee place, royal at its royal place.
ဒီဗီဒီယိုလေးဟာအသင်အတွက်ကြိုးရှိစေရဆိုရင် like and subscribe လေးလုပ်ပေးခဲ့ပါနော်ဗီဒီယိုအသစ်တွေတင်တိုင်းလည်းသိရှိရအောင် notification လေးကိုလည်းနှိပ်ခဲ့ဖို့မမေ့ပါနဲ့အားလုံးကိုကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ယခုထက်ပိုမိုပြီးဘူတုတများတိုးပွားနိုင်ကြပါစေရှင်